How do we overcome victory over depression? Be honest before God. Amen? I-acknowledge mo na meron kang ganong problema. Don't hide your pain. What God saw in Elijah, I think, is his honesty. When he said, Lord, I'm done. Let me die. Nung sinabi po ni Elijah yon, it is because of out of his honest feeling and exhaustion. At nakita ng Diyos yun, nakita niya yung pagkapagod ni Elijah talaga. Pagod na pagod siya. So anong ginawa ng Diyos? Hindi ni-rebuke ng Diyos si Elijah. Amen? Nagpadala ang Diyos ng anghel. Elijah, pagod ka lang. Kumain ka. Elijah, gutom ka lang. Kumain ka. Matulog ka. Uminom ka. Eto. At pagkatapos po nun, siya po ay nakabawi. So don't hide your pain from God. Pray it out. David poured his heart to God when he was in the state of depression. Psalm 130 verse 1. Psalm 130 verse 1. It says, out of the depths I cry to you, O Lord. Out of the depths I cry to you, O Lord. David cried out to God. So when you are in pain, in a depressive state, in a manic depressive state, in your situation where you are in mental torture and mental trouble, or emotionally, you are in emotional chaos and turmoil, what do? Don't hide your pain, but cry out to God just like David. Out of the depths, I cried to you, O Lord. David poured out his heart honestly in the book of Psalm. There's so many texts in the book of Psalm where David was crying out to God, reaching out to God, because he was in so much pain. He was in so much sorrow. Amen? So, God is not offended by our honesty because God is the most understanding God. He's actually moved by our honesty. So kapag tayo po naging honest sa Diyos, the healing begins. Amen? That's where your healing begins. When you are not hiding things from God, then you are allowing God to heal you. Your broken heart, your sorrowful heart, He will change it. He will remove the sorrow and pour out joy. Because victory begins when you begin to bring your sorrow to God. Lift it up to God. Entrust it to God. And exchange it with the joy of the Lord. Amen? Lord, marami po akong negatibong mga kinakarga sa buhay. Pero ayoko po nito. Binibigay ko sa iyong lahat. Okay? So pag binigay mo na sa Diyos lahat, binigay mo na. Huwag mo nang kunin ulit. Amen? So kung minsan kasi binibigay natin sa Diyos, Lord, I give to you my pain, my sorrow, my problems, my sickness, my disease, and everything. I entrust everything to you. Amen. Amen? So nakapag-pray ka na. Kinabukasan, kinuha mo ulit. Binitbit mo ulit. Huwag po ganon. Pag binigay na natin sa Lord, binigay mo na sa Lord. Pumayapa ka na. Amen? John 14 verse 1, let not your hearts be troubled. Binigay mo na sa Lord. Bahala na si Lord doon. Amen?